Hold on to your carrots because Judy Hopps and Nick Wilde are sprinting back into the action. Zootopia 2 is officially happening and it promises more mystery, more mayhem and a whole new side of the animal kingdom you have never seen before. What secrets lies beyond the city limits? Who's the new villain shaking up the streets of Zootopia? Get ready because this sequel might just outsmart the original. Hold on to your carrots because Zootopia 2 is officially happening and Disney is gearing up to take us on an even wilder range through the animal metropolis. The sequel will see the return of our favorite crime-fighting duo, Judy Hopps and Nick Wilde, voiced once again by Ginnifer Goodwin and Jason Bateman. But this time, the relationship might be heading in a brand new direction. Rumors are swirling that we could finally see some sparks fly between the two, turning their friendship into something more than just professional. Beyond the dynamic, the world of Zootopia is expanding in huge ways. Disney is introducing brand new districts to explore. Think deserts regions with sly reptiles, ocean zones teeming with sleek sea creatures, and maybe even underground walled cities with their own shady secrets. The animation team is reportedly pushing boundaries with the next level visuals that promises to take audience deeper into the world than never before. As for the plot, expect something much darker and more intense than the original. Whispers from behind the scenes hint at a story revolving around a city-wide crisis, possibly involving political unrest, media manipulation, or even a conspiracy that could destroy the delicate balance between the predators and the prey. Some fans believe this could involve international stakes or even a threat that forces Judy and Nick to question their loyalty to ZP. And while former villain Bellwether is locked up, theories are flying that she may be plotting her return, maybe even pulling strings from behind bars. And yes, Flash the Sloth is back too. Still slow, still hilarious, but reportedly playing a surprising role this time. With the targeted release window of late 2025 or early 26, Zootopia 2 is shaping up to be one of the most anticipated animated sequel ever. The original film wasn't just about the cute animals. It's tackled real-world issues with boldness and charm. Now its sequel might go even further, mixing action, heart and powerful commentary in ways we haven't seen before. Buckle up, because in a city where anyone can be anything, nothing is more than it seems. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss a single clue from the city that never sleeps. Because in Zootopia, anyone can be anything and everything is about to change. Stay tuned to Screen Explained TV.